Welcome back friends, and in your mobile, any Android mobile, if you are getting no SIM detected, no signal, not registered on network, emergency call only, in that case, in this video I am going to tell you 9 methods you should apply one by one, and I think your problem will be 100% solved if there is not any network related issue or hardware problem in your mobile. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. The very first thing what you need to do when you are getting this no SIM detected or no signal, emergency call only, not registered on network, just turn it down and then this aeroplane mode, turn it on, wait for some time, then again remove it. Now you will get your signal here. So if you are getting your problem solved, that's very good. If not, then the second thing is just go to the setting, go to the connections, here SIM card manager. Now here you will see, find all your SIMs here. I am using only one SIM in this mobile, so just turn it off. Okay, because it is single SIM, it cannot be turned off. So in case of double SIM, you can turn the SIM off on subsequently one by one. So after that, go back, and here you have to go to the mobile networks. Here right type of network you have to select the right type of network and see here the signals are coming or not. If they are coming, that is very good. If they are not coming, then the third thing is here go to the mobile networks, here network operators, and here you can manually select your network. Just turn it off, it will ask select network manually. Okay, now it will select, it will take some time, it is taking time. So when the list will populate, just select your network and I think your problem will get solved. The next thing, fourth thing, what you need to do, go to the access point name here, just tap it here, then reset to defaults. Now it will say all APNs you have added will be removed. Okay, no problem, just reset it, and after that see what is happening here. Your problem may get solved. So this was the fourth, and the fifth one is reset network setting. For that, go back to original in setting menu here, and then go to the general management. Here it will come. Okay, now go to the reset here near reset network setting. From here you can reset network setting. It will reset all network setting including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Don't worry, just enter the pattern here and you will, all network setting will be reset, but this will only delete the Wi-Fi passwords, nothing else. Just reset it. After that, just see here your problem is solved or not. It may solve. Then the sixth one is go to the apps here, search for SIM toolkit, this one, then force stop. Okay, now go to the storage here, clear data. Okay, then clear cache, it is already 0. Go back, again search for SIM toolkit. Here just permission required, just give all permissions, run at startup, retrieve. Just after doing this, go back and your problem may get solved. But if you have still your problem here, then the next thing is switch your mobile off on, restart your mobile. By restarting your mobile, you may reset some flags, some unwanted things, and you may get your problem solved. Even after resetting it, it is not solved, then please switch off your mobile. Just remove the sim from here, sim card, and check for any physical damage of sim card. After that, just investigate, see the sim tray. If your sim tray is physically damaged, if it is, then please replace that, and after that your problem will get solved. After doing all the things, if you have still your problem, then just go to the setting, go to the general management, here go to the reset, factory data reset. But see, you have after factory data reset, all data, Google account, system, app data, setting, downloaded apps, all data will go. You need to have your backup of the present time, and you also know how to restore the backup. If you have backup and you know how to restore the backup, then only you can go ahead. So this is the last option, the factory data reset. If after doing all the things your problem is still there, go to the network mobile hardware authorized shop and then take their help. This is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.